Hi students, listen. Fourth question. If the lateral surface of a cylinder is 94.2 centimeter squared and its height is 5 centimeter, then find radius of its base and its volume. Okay, students listen. Lateral surface that is equal to 94.2 centimeter squared. Okay, lateral surface. What is the formula of lateral surface of a cylinder? That is 2 pi r h, that is equal to 94.2. Okay, students, 94.2. Here students listen, just put the values. 2 into use pi, that is equal to 3.14. okay, so here I have written pi value 3.14. okay students, then r into h. okay, lateral surface of a cylinder is 94.2 centimeter and its height, okay, its height that is equal to 5 centimeter. So into height, that is equal to 5, that is equal to 94.2. okay students, then r that is equal to 94.2 divided by 2 into 3.14 into 5, 3.14 into 5. okay, so r that is equal to, students listen, 94.2 divided by 2 into 5, 10. okay, 2 into 5, 10. So 3.14 into 10. okay, so that is equal to 94.2 divided by 31.4, 31.4. okay, students listen, 94.2 divided by 31.4. okay, this is 134, 1 per 1.4, 31.4, then 331.4, that is equal to 3 into 31.4, that is equal to 94.2. so r that is equal to 3, r equal to 3 centimeter. okay students, then second one is volume, okay, volume that is equal to, students listen, for this r that is equal to 3 centimeter, then h is already given, that is equal to 5 centimeter. okay, volume of the cylinder, what is the formula? That is equal to volume of the cylinder, what is the formula? Pi r squared h. okay, so pi r squared h, so that is equal to 3.14 into 3 into 3 into 5. okay, so that is equal to 3.14 into 9 into 5, 45, 9 into 5 and so 3.14 into 45 into 45, that is equal to, at last we have 141.3 centimeter cube. okay, 141.3 centimeter cube. Is it clear students? Then listen students, next question. Let's see, fifth question. It cost 2,200 to paint the inner curved surface of a cylindrical vessel 10 meter deep. okay, students listen, it cost rupees 2,200. okay, 2,200 to paint the inner curved surface area. okay, surface area of a cylindrical vessel, okay, then students listen, cylindrical vessel. okay, then height, okay, height that means 10 meter deep, so height that is equal to 10 meter. If the cost of painting is at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square, so cost of painting, students listen, cost of painting at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square, okay, rupees 20 per meter square. Then students listen, already we have known that 2,200, it costs 2,200 to paint the inner curved surface area of a cylindrical vessel. okay, so rupees 20 per meter square. So from this information we have to find the meter squared. okay, so that is equal to 2,200 divided by 20, 110. So students listen, 110 inner curved surface area of the vessel, inner curved surface area of the vessel, that is equal to 110 meters squared. 110 meters squared. Is it clear, students? Because amount is given, okay, 2200, okay. Then amount is given, then rupees 20 per meter squared. Rupees 20 per meter squared. So we have to find the square meter. We have to find the square meter. That means inner curved surface area of the vessel. Surface area of the vessel, that is equal to 2200 divided by 20. Then we can get 110 meters squared. Inner curved surface area of the vessel, that is equal to 110 meters squared. Is it clear? So first subdivision over. Second subdivision, radius of the base. We have to find radius of the base. How do you find the radius? How do you find the radius? Students listen. Inner curved surface area of the vessel, that is equal to 110. Okay. So what is the formula? Inner curved surface area. Inner curved surface area, that is equal to 110. We have to find radius. Okay. We have to find second one. We have to find radius. So 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH, that is equal to 110. 2 pi RH, that is equal to 110. Okay, students. Then students listen. 2 into 22 by 7 into R into H10. Okay, H equal to 10 meter. H equal to 10 meter. Okay, so 10, that is equal to 110. Okay, then R, that is equal to 110. This is denominator, na? If it moves to right hand side, it becomes numerator. So 110 into 7 divided by 2 into 22 into 10. 2 into 22 into 10. These are numerator. If it moves to right hand side, it will becomes denominator. Okay, just cancel it. 0 0 111 211. Okay, so R, that is equal to 7 by 4. R, that is equal to 7 by 4. Is it clear? 7 by 4. So if 7 by 4, that means 1 4s are 4, 3.0, then 6 4 7 4s are 28205. So 1.75 meter. Okay, R, that is equal to 1.75 meter. 1.75 meters. The second subdivision is over. Is it clear, students? Then listen, students. Then third subdivision. Capacity of the vessel. Capacity. Okay, capacity of the vessel. Capacity, that is equal to what? Okay, so capacity here, this is cylindrical vessel. So what is the formula of capacity? Pi R squared H. Okay, volume or capacity. Okay, capacity of cylindrical vessel, that is equal to pi R squared H. Okay, so therefore that is equal to pi R squared H. That means 22 by 7 into R. Already we have known 1.75 into 1.75 into H10. Okay, then students listen. Here 1 7s are 7. Here 2 7s are 14. 335 5. Okay, so 0.25 into 10, that is 22 into 2.5 into 1.75. Okay, if you multiply these numbers, you can get 96.25 meter cube. Okay, the capacity of the vessel is 96.25 meter cube. Okay, is it clear? Good. Then now let's see sixth question. The capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel of height 1 meter is 15.4 liters. How many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it? Students listen. Here a metal sheet is there. Okay, metal sheet there is there. It will be made closed cylindrical vessel. It will be made closed cylindrical vessel. Okay, so this height of the cylindrical vessel, that is 1 meter. Okay, and its capacity 15.4 liters. And its capacity 15.4 liters. Students listen. Capacity of this cylindrical vessel, that is equal to of this cylindrical vessel that is equal to 15.4 liters. 15.4 liters. Okay, 15.4 liters. Students listen, 15 point here liters na, liters. So we should change it into meter cube. How do you change it, students? Listen, already I have taught you. 1 meter cube that is equal to 1000 liter. 1 meter cube that is equal to 1000 liter. Okay, so 15.4 liter. Okay, now we want to change it. We should change it liter to meter cube. How do you change it? If you divide 15.4 by 1000, then you can easily change it in meter cube. Okay, so that is equal to 15.4 and now 154. Here there are 3 zeros. Here there are 3 zeros. Already point is here. So 1, 2, 3. You have to move through 3 digits before. Okay, so 0.0154 meter cube. Now capacity that is equal to 0.0154 meter cube. Okay, students. So here what is the formula of capacity? Pi r square h that is equal to 0.0154. Okay. Then students listen. 22 by 7 into r squared into h that is equal to 1 meter. Already we have given. Okay. So h that is equal to here first. Okay, h is equal to 1 meter. H that is equal to 1 meter. Okay, h that is equal to 1 meter. So into 1 that is equal to 0.0154. Okay, students. Then students listen. Then r squared here 22 by 7 into r squared into 1 that is equal to 0.0154. Okay. Then r squared that is equal to 0.0154 into 7 divided by 22. Is it clear? Then that is equal to r that is equal to first r squared r is equal to first we should simplify it. Okay. Then students listen here. 2 11s are 22. Here this is 1 11s are 11, 44 4. Okay. So 0.014 into 7 divided by 2. Okay, now 0.0014 into 7 by 2 that is 3.5. Okay, 7 by 2 that is 3.5. Students listen. 0.0014 into 3.5. 3.5 na? Just multiply it. Students listen. 4 5s are 22. 4 1 5s are 5. 7. Okay. 0 0 and 0. 12 1 4 0 0. Okay. 0 9 4 0 0. Here 4 5 and 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, point here. Okay, so r squared that is equal to, students listen, r squared is 0.0049. Okay, therefore r that is equal to square root of 0.0049. Is it clear? So answer r that is equal to 0.07 meter. 0.07 meter. Okay, how do you find it, students listen? How do you find it? 0.0049. Okay, 7 into 7 49. Okay, students, for 2 this number 7, for 2 0 you have to put 1 0. Okay, so r that is equal to 0.07 meter. Is it clear? Then students listen, curved surface area, because how many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it? Okay, we have to find the surface area of metal sheet, surface area of this metal sheet, surface area of that metal sheet. Okay, so curved surface area, that is, students listen, for surface area of metal sheet that is equal to curved surface area of curved or total surface area of, because closed cylindrical na, closed total surface area of cylinder, total surface area of cylinder. Okay, students listen, metal sheet, surface area of metal sheet, surface area of metal sheet that is equal to total surface area of cylindrical vessel, total surface area of cylindrical vessel. Okay, so students listen, r that is equal to 0.07 meter. Okay, so students listen, we have to find total surface area of cylindrical vessel. Total surface area of cylindrical vessel, that is, because that is equal to surface area of metal sheet, we have to find that only. Okay, how many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it. So total surface area of cylindrical vessel, that is equal to total surface area of cylindrical vessel, that is equal to, what is the formula? 2 pi r of h plus r. Very good. 2 pi r or 2 pi r of h plus r. Okay, so just put the value in this formula. Then students listen, 2 into 22 by 7 into what is r? 0.07. 0.07 into h plus r, h plus r, that means h, what is h here? H, that is equal to 1 meter. So 1 plus 0.07. Okay, so that is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.07, here 1.07. 1.07. Is it clear? That is 1 7s are 7, here 0.01. Okay, 2 into 22, 44. 44 into 0.01, 0.44. Okay, 0.44 into 1.07, that is equal to 0.4708 meter squared. So 0.47408 meter squared of metal sheet should be needed. This is the correct answer. Is it clear, students? Good. Thank you, students.